On this Honda CR-V, B2986 points to a possible open in the recirculation control motor circuit. In plain terms, the climate control unit may not be seeing the recirculation door motor circuit the way it expects. The customer may notice the HVAC inlet door not responding normally, or the system may have trouble switching between fresh air and recirculation. The broad possible fault areas are the recirculation control motor circuit, loose or poor connections, an open wire between the climate control unit and the motor itself, or the climate control unit. We'll stay with the diagnostic path and let the voltage checks separate those areas. Start by confirming the fault. Clear the DTC with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to OFF lock mode, then turn it back on. Run the self-diagnostic function with the HDS or with the climate control unit, then check for DTCs. If B2986 or the matching indicator code 55 comes back, continue into circuit testing. If it does not come back, treat it as an intermittent failure and inspect the recirculation control motor circuit for loose wires or poor connections before going any deeper. Next, turn the vehicle back to OFF lock mode and disconnect the recirculation control motor 7P connector. Turn the vehicle on. Measure voltage between recirculation control motor 7P connector No. 2 and body ground. The question here is there about 5V? If about 5V is present, the RFDP or FRDP wire is okay at this point, and the next check is the sensor common side of the circuit. If about 5V is not present, move to the climate control unit side check. With the recirculation control motor connector still disconnected, measure voltage between recirculation control motor 7P connector No. 1 and recirculation control motor 7P connector No. 2. Again, the question is there about 5V? If about 5V is present, the sensor COM or SenseCOM wire is okay, and the diagnostic path calls for replacing the recirculation control motor. If about 5V is not present, repair an open in the wire between the climate control unit and the recirculation control motor. If the first motor side voltage check did not show about 5V, go to the climate control unit 32P connector. Measure voltage between climate control unit 32P connector No. 6 and body ground. The expected result is about 5V. If about 5V is present here, repair an open in the wire between the climate control unit and the recirculation control motor. If about 5V is not present here, the RFDP or FRDP wire is considered okay by this path, and the diagnostic path calls for replacing the climate control unit. The key on B2986 is not to guess at the door motor. Confirm the code, check for an intermittent connection if it does not return, then use the about 5V checks to decide whether the open is in the wiring, the recirculation control motor side, or the climate control unit side. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.